Mm. Hi all, welcome to Invest with RJS. Today we have got three major news regarding stock market. So first regarding IREDA, that is Ireda. So today it was 6% up, and there was a memorandum of understanding signed with a couple of companies. So because of that, there is a hydroelectric project in Nepal which is going to be commenced in future days. So that's the reason IRDA nowadays, IRDA getting or sponsoring more of renewable energy products. So that's the reason we are going ahead with this one. So other is Bajaj Housing Finance IPO. As you know that it's currently on the second day. So if you see that it's actually booked 7.51 times today. So it looks like it is going to have a good GMP by the end of tomorrow. That I'll comment and update you tomorrow. And there is one of the update from Achin Goel, who is from Bonanza Group, and they're very bullish on Nifty 50 for this year end. They're saying from now it is gonna go for 6%. So looks like this is going to be very good for us because Nifty going 6% will actually be a good sign for any stock market. So just I'll go ahead with the IRDA and Nifty 50 ones for you, technicals. If you see IRDA currently, it is around exponential moving average of 50 days moving average down. It is trying to come back. If you see as per our technical class, you have seen that there is a video also attached. You can view that. There is a trend line happening. So only when it comes here and then it will through here, that is when we can say that there is a good strength in this one. So if you see the volume over here, it is very high. Now it is all dried out. So this is about IRDA. So let's see Nifty 50. If you see here, same thing, tried to come down but did not touch the 50 MA 50 day exponential moving average, but now it is trying to go up again. So and as per their comment for next 1 month or the next 6 months, they are saying about 6%. It's already on the top. If you see monthly, it's almost on the top. So we have to be cautious. Only on the reversal we can try to see that. So one of the other thing, safer side is Nifty Bs. I'll suggest, if you see, this is on the, if you see here on daily chart, it's created a doji and tried to go up. So this will be the safest bet if Nifty is going to go for a 6%. Please try to play with this. So if you see here, even if try connecting these dots from wherever it took support, it creates a trend line here. See, it took a support here, it's going up. So resistance previously from here it came down, so 283.6 is becoming, this region itself is becoming a resistance for this. Let's see. So for now this is for the short range, but if you want to see for the another 1 week or a 6 months, see, this is in the always in the upper trend. So Nifty B is always a safe bet to go ahead with if you know that Nifty is going to do good in the future. Thank you.